Open house is a day where we invite everyone in the public to come see what NC State veterinary medicine's all about. My overarching favorite part of planning is actually seeing the event come together and getting to see the public ranging from little kids to even adults to prospective students. A big part of our job is public outreach and public health safety. So just getting to show the public everything that we can do here and how far-reaching veterinary medicine is in their lives is pretty special.
I hope people take away from open house that we not only impact animals' health but human health as well, whether it's like medicine we take, vaccinations we take, or the food we eat. Like, we help keep animals and humans healthy and happy.
I hope people from the community can come here and see that there's a place for them in veterinary medicine. Anything you want to do, anywhere you come from, there's a spot for you and a place for you here, and you'll be welcomed with open arms.
I think it's just so vital, especially for kids to see that, they can see themselves as vets. As a kid, you might think, well, I don't see anyone doing it. Like, is there even space for me? And it's very important, to say, like, you can belong, you can be part of it, you can do this if this is your heart's desire. There is a space for you.
So I wanted to be one when I was younger, and I got kind of scared away because of the schooling, but I wanted her to know that there are different types of veterinarian programs she can go into. And she loves animals. She's seen all the veterinarian shows, and I just figured if she wants to do she's going to watch more. And if she wants to do it, we're going to help her through it.
You jump right there.
No, I thought it was great, and it's a beautiful campus, and I hope she can go here one day.
Say go on, Bob. There you go.